Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Happy Fired Up Friday, which I haven't done in months. The other day I was like searching around for some ferro rods and it was very loud and very cussy about it, going, where are they at for my damn ferro rods? Or like I can never seem to find them. Because they're always like in a kit or in a pack or in a cook kit, or they're just all over the place. So I went and ordered a couple more. Give you a look at them real quick. We'll burn some stuff. So I just went with the standard 3/4 inch, 4-inch rods, and then I wrapped some electrical tape, Gorilla tape around the base, and this on each side I put a piece of paracord, and I just got like a little lanyard, just so I have a little bit more grab. So let's I got some cotton here. All right, this is actually a strip of cotton I pulled out of a medicine bottle. Because I gotta take the new coating off. So there we go. Oh yeah. I got some tinder I may be lighting too, so heck yeah. Should have brought some fat wood with me. Darn it. Maybe next time I'll bring some of the gloriness of fat wood. Get rid of those cotton. Let me show you. Some of you might remember, but I got this whole bag of these like wood shavings, and they've just been riding around the back of the car. So figured, well, let's throw a spark on it. You couldn't see that. Sorry. Back up so you guys get a bigger view. Sweet. I still have this whole bag in a Ezel's pack. Alright. Stuff should be bone dry. And granted, it's not fat wood, but it's doing something. Oh, there we go. A little stubborn at first, it seems, but once it starts going, it's basically just dried pieces of, it's basically like shaved wood. So, figured it'd make a great tinder. Which it does, for the most part. Nice. This is just the barbecue pit at the park, so I figured it should be a safe place to burn something. Not the most stable ground, though. I keep stepping in mold divots. Cheeky little jerks. Yeah, man, really good ferro rods. Now, I don't blame the ferro rod for not doing the one and done, because it's not fat wood, so there's no resin impregnated wood. It's just that it's just like I said, it's just literally like wood shavings that I found at a campground. So seems to burn pretty well though, really well. So, heck yeah. Sweet. Well, I hope you guys have a great weekend coming up. I'll put Nathan's eBay link in the description, as well as his YouTube channel, so you want to go check out his videos. Good guy, makes great videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one. Peace.